In 1900, a man named Yerkes was a prominent psychological researcher. He was interested in studying the intelligence of a human being. One day, he came across a chimpanzee named Chim, who was living in New York City Zoo. Yerkes was really interested in studying human intelligence. Yerkes decided to conduct a series of experiments on Chim to see the similarities and differences between chimpanzees' intelligence compared to that one of human intelligence. Much to Yerkes' surprise, Chim performed extremely well in all the kind of tests that were conducted on this chimpanzee, demonstrating really high level of intelligence and problem solving. After conducting these experiments on Chim, Yerkes returned Chim to New York City Zoo and continued his experiments on human subjects. But he couldn't shake his memory of why Chim performed that well in these tests. After a longitudinal period of study and research, Yerkes realized that Chim's performance was due to the environment that Chim was raised in. He realized that Chim's performance was due to the environment that Chim was raised in, that fostered and encouraged exploration, experimentation, and problem solving. Yerkes concluded from these experiments that if human beings were raised in similar environments that encourage creativity and fostering discovery and experimentation, they would perform and have great feats of intelligence and problem solving. These enriched environments can help human beings achieve great feats of intelligence. And later, they became the insights to educational psychology, which emphasized the importance of giving students opportunities for self-discovery, exploration, problem solving, and experimentations. The moral lesson of chimpanzee story is that environment is a critical component of fostering experimentation, self-discovery, and critical thinking. By creating supportive and encouraging environment for students and for people in general that encourages curiosity and discovery and exploration, we can help people achieve great things and get to their full potential. I remember this quote by Albert Einstein that I always question. I am neither clever nor especially gifted. I'm only very, very curious. So remember, curiosity is a very important element in self-discovery, whether that's for people or for students we are teaching. Keep that in mind. Have a wonderful day.